Hello everyone and welcome to the review channel, and today I'm going to review the portable electric clothes dryer Kasydoff. So it comes inside this box. So it comes with the cover. As you can see, it's quite big. Here are the support pulls, so you can I need to assemble all this inside the cover. Here are the pulls, and inside this box is the dryer. Also is adverting that the steel pipe is sharp, so please wear gloves to install it. So just be careful if you order one of these, and if you're going to install it, to wear the gloves. And this is also the instruction leaflet, where they tell you how to assemble the clothes dryer. First, you take the pieces that say down, and then the 3 long stainless steel pipes, and then you assemble them like this, and then you install the long pipes just like this, here, just like this, and then you're going to put the middle part, which is this one, and then you're going to do the same. So the middle part is installed, as you can see, and this is how it looks when you install the middle part and you put the cover. So the bottom part, the middle part, and the top part is already installed. Then you need to install the small pieces here, and then install the plastic piece that says up. So I already installed the up part, and if you are tall like me, since this has 1 meter and 70 centimeters, and I am small, so not so small, but not tall enough to reach the top part, so it's so much easier for you to install just the up part, and then just install it here again. Also comes with 2 pieces of this to keep the dryer steady. I need to figure it out how I'm going to keep it steady. And now I'm going to put the wheels. So I've done a mistake, and then I quickly realized where the mistake was. So it was here. I had put this part before the cover, so it wasn't going up, and then I just changed. So remember first to assemble all the parts. The middle part, it's easier, and the top part, and then you can assemble the last part, which is, I think it's much easier for you to apply, to insert the cover into the pulls. And I'm going to put the dryer here. So before I'm going to install the dryer, I put the towel bars, but it's your option if you want to put them all, or just a few, or none of them. But I think it's easier to put at least 3 or 4 or all of them. It's up to you. Well, I'm just going to put the dryer. So just make sure when you assemble the middle part and the top part that you put the cover first, because the bottom part is the last part that goes. And now I'm going to put the dryer. So as you can see, this is really pretty straightforward. You just insert the dryer there and start, stop, and here you have the ionic, the slow and the fast, and also it comes with the control, start, stop, and obviously the timer, obviously, and it's all set to go. So as you can see, this is really handy. It doesn't take too much space. You can fold it and put it behind the door, and also you don't need to buy a dryer machine. So I think it's much more handy, and it's lighter, even though it doesn't take too much clothes. Where, I mean, you only have 9 pulls here, and the space is not too much, but still I think it's very handy for a small house. So I hope you had enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio!